The Turtle and the Cranes. Long ago, two cranes and a turtle were friends. They lived near a pond. One summer, the pond dried and had very little water. The cranes wanted to go to another pond along with their friend. As the turtle could not fly, he gave them an idea. He asked the cranes to hold a stick on both the ends. He then caught the stick in the middle with his teeth. The cranes flew off, carrying the turtle with them. The people shouted and clapped, seeing the turtle fly. The turtle was surprised and opened his mouth to talk. He fell to the ground.